rotis are her favorite, so I'm making this bajra roti. So yeah, it's cooked from one side, then I'm cooking from another side. It will be almost done after few minutes. So yeah, I flip it and cook it both sides until it's perfectly done. So another bajra roti is almost ready, and that bajra roti is cooked. So guys, our delicious homemade bajra roti is ready. Let me take it outside from the tawa. Yeah, guys, its taste is amazing with ghee, jaggery, curd, or any sabji. You just have anything with this bajra roti. At least you can add some ghee and good and make churma. It's also the healthiest. You should definitely try. Non Gujaratis making sometimes, but Gujaratis, this bajra rotis are always favorite. So guys, that's almost done. Yeah. So yeah, that's ready. So I'm going to make the another bajra roti, another side. So guys, as you can see, it's ready. I make it little small. So let me add some ghee on it. It looks yum with anything, any sabji or ghee, jaggery, anything. That's look yum. So thank you so much, guys.